Do you have a great business idea? Now what? Let's say you have an idea for a business offering a product for a service that you want to get out there in the marketplace. But from the idea to the actual result, there is a gap. According to the Kaufman Startup Index, around 550,000 people become entrepreneurs each month, and of course you could be one of them. While there is no guaranteed formula to starting a successful business, there are steps to take in the planning phase that will not only help you determine if your business idea has what it takes, but help you get the ball rolling too. If you are new here, welcome to my consulting channel. I'm Michael Tadros, the professor. I have a diversified experience for many years working as a project manager for Agile, Scrum, Lean, and conventional projects, as well as a consultant for startup businesses and entrepreneurs. Now, let's get to it. Number 1. Determine the why and the who. The first step to take after you have come up with a new business idea is to concentrate on the why and who of it. You may think you have thought up an awesome idea, but your business will not be successful if you don't know the real reasons behind why it's a good solution and whom it would be a good solution for. Start to really think about what problem your business idea solves. Your business may solve a problem for you, but does it solve a problem for others? If nobody else had the problem that your business proposes a solution for, then who will buy that solution? After you have taken a deep dive into why your business is needed in the first place, determine who will be the target audience of your business. Think about the demographics of your target audience, what's important to these people and how you will reach them. A business is not a business without customers after all. Number 2, search for similar solutions. No business idea is 100% unique. There will always be businesses out in the world that are similar to yours. So don't worry if there are companies doing what you do. In fact, that proves there is a market for what you do. What you have to do is to think about your competitors, what exactly they are providing and what you will do differently or better than they do. To stand out from the competition, you will need to know what sets you apart. Start doing research on the companies that could become your competition. Look at how much they charge, who their target audience is, and how they market to them. This is just to name a few research points. There is no need to reinvent the wheel, but do look at what these companies are lacking in and how you can improve upon those areas in your business so that you capture their customers. Number 3, talk to your potential customers. Similar to your efforts to study your potential competition should be your effort to study potential customers. Get out there and start talking with your target customers. See if your product or service is something they would use. Find out how much they would pay for it and ask what comparable product or business they are using now to solve their problem. You could even get super in depth and ask people to fill out a survey providing answers that will help you get to know your audience even better. Even negative feedback about your business idea can help you refine your idea. Number 4, look down the details of your business. Coming up with a new business idea is exciting. Your mind is probably crowded with tons of plans and designs, maybe too many. So sit back and look down the finer details of your business. Will you be offering a product or a service? How much will it cost? How will you be marketing your business? You need to know your new business concept inside and out before you launch. A great and easy way to organize your thoughts is to use a business plan software like LifePlan, InLoop, or PlanGuru. Also, if you haven't named your business yet, now is the right time to do it. Do some brainstorming and come up with a name that no one else has already taken. Determine the how, and this is number 5. After you have worked out all the details of your future business, the next step is to figure out how to turn your dream into a reality. Obviously, starting a business costs quite a bit of money, so that's one of the major how factors you need to consider. Decide if you will talk to investors, take out a loan, or maybe even start a Kickstarter campaign. Determine everything you will need to get your business up and running. For instance, if you are offering a product, how will you build it and how much money will it cost? This last step is one of the most important in order to take your business from out your head and into the real world. Now, I think you know what to do next if you found a great business idea. So what are you waiting for? If you take the time to plan out your new business idea, you will not just build a business, you will build a successful one. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please press subscribe, like and share, and leave your questions or suggestions for future videos. I will be more than happy to reply and assist you. I look forward to talking to you at my next video. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.